Eto naman.
Thank you for watching our awesome fire dancers. To all our guests, we are inviting you all to enjoy, have fun and feel the fire by taking a photo or selfie with our performers. There is a tip box in front of them. Any amount is really appreciated. Thank you and God bless.
When Jason's at the table, I kept on seeing him look at me while he's with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting me all night last night, and I don't know